What's going on, all of my ETC hodlers? I want to bring you guys this quick update video to let you know where we currently sit with ETC and give you guys a couple words, which I'm going to do right now. When the whole momentum trade is all said and done, I do believe a lot of people are going to take a lot of money back to crypto. So it's not a bad idea, like I have been doing, to position yourself before that happens so you can maximize your potential gains. But with that being said, we're going to get into everything you guys need to know as far as today's ETC update. Now we're going to look at a whole range of factors, so I don't want to waste any time getting into this information. The only thing that I do ask is that you tap, tickle, touch, or smash the like button, as well as subscribe to the channel and comment down below. If you want to get up to $70 in free stock, use the link for public, no deposit necessary, no need to even link a bank account, and you get your stock immediately. As well as check out the link down below for the buy and sell alerts. They pay for themselves. And if you just want to support the channel, there's packages for every single thing that you want to do and different perks that are included. Now getting into it, guys, Ethereum Classic currently sits at about $56.74, down 1.19% for the day, which is pretty typical from what we have been seeing in the cryptocurrency markets as a whole. Excuse me. But one of the biggest reasons we have been so stagnant, and this is something very, very important to know, guys, we have a lot of shorting that is going on in the crypto markets, especially, I do believe, to finance a lot of these short positions. A lot of these hedge funds and institutions are in, which, keep in mind, they are a large holder of cryptocurrencies in general, but to finance these transactions, these losing trades, I do believe crypto is an easy target to short, take that money back as collateral for these losing positions. Now, just take a look at Bitcoin. I am on datamish.com. If you guys want to check this out for yourself, I will link this down below. But I'm on the 90-day chart, and we are on Bitcoin, and they don't have Ethereum Classic on here, but you could better believe it is similar to all these other cryptos, which are essentially the same exact looking charts. Now, just take a look at this. From when we started to sell off, and really when we started to get Elon tweets and all that other crazy jazz, we have seen a lot of shorts, especially unhedged shorts in Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies for that matter, but especially in Bitcoin. And you can see the unhedged shorts before that all started to happen at about 600, at 5 to 600, and for hedge shorts at about 2 to 300. Now we are currently at about 25,000 unhedged shorts and 27 hedge shorts. So the hedge shorts have definitely went down quite a lot. The unhedged shorts have went through the roof. And this is just telling you how shorted the overall cryptocurrency market is. Something else that I do like to look at on this website is the percentage that are long and short. The long percentage is 65.68%. The percentage that is short is 34%. That is currently. Take that back to before we sold off. The percentage short was 2%, in between, 1.5% and 2%, and the percentage long was about 98%. Fast forward that, we're at 34% that are short. So there's a lot of shorting that is going on in the crypto markets, but this won't last forever, and this could actually set the crypto markets up for a potential overall short squeeze once we do see a lot of volume and positive sentiment go back into crypto markets. So this is actually a very good thing if you are a long-term investor, so you can pick up cheap cryptos and ride the wave once this momentum does come back. I don't know how long it will take. Usually the end of summer, fall, and winter are the best months for crypto, so I do think it'll be sometime in that period, but we could be stagnant until the end of summer, and that is something I'm perfectly okay with, loading up on these cryptos and getting ready for this massive rally that I do see coming. Now, as far as Ethereum Classic's hash rate, and this is something you guys will want to stay mindful of, right? This is one of the most important things to be watching for, and ever since we did see this rally, we have sustained in between about 25 TH/s and about 30 TH/s at the higher end. So this level has stayed severely elevated, and this is essentially telling you how many hashes are being performed per second on the Ethereum Classic blockchain. And the more hashes, the better. The harder it is for people or entities to get 51% of the mining power and perform a 51% attack that happened at about August of last year. But you can even see since, July and August of last year, we were only at about 5 TH/s, or even as low as 3 TH/s before this attack actually happened. That brought us down to about 1.35 TH/s at the lowest point. So we are like 10 times higher in the amount of people that are mining ETC, which helps strengthen the blockchain. Number one thing, helps strengthen the blockchain, as well as it does signify that people are very bullish on ETC, because miners would not be mining Ethereum Classic if they thought it was going to go down in value. That is literally the most simplest way to even think about it. Now, as far as Ethereum Classic's Twitter, I do want to point this out yet again, that the Magneto upgrade is coming to Ethereum Classic, and that is going to happen on July 21st. And they say please update your nodes before then. So if you guys are mining ETC, make sure to update your nodes before this happens. But this will add a lot of new miners coming to ETC. There's a lot of great updates that are coming to the blockchain, including lower gas fees, faster transaction times, and a whole range of other things, blockchain security. There's so many things coming in the update. I don't want to get into that too much. If you guys have seen the last video, I went into this more in depth, so just go ahead and check that out. But this will happen on block 13,189,000, and I do expect a lot of miners to start mining ETC, especially even more that are already mining on the platform. Now, taking a look at some quick technicals, guys, we are sitting in between this range of $53 on the low end and about $60 on the high end. Some people, some analysts have even signaled that we could go to about $100 if we can firmly break out above that $60 mark, which has been seen as a severe resistance level. We have had a tough time breaking above this with some very good momentum. Every single time we come to 60, we fall off of it. And you see this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times we have hit $60 and then sold off from there. So if we do pass this level, it will serve as a great support level, but I don't know when that will happen. I'm not a genie or a wizard. I don't have a crystal ball, so I don't know when it'll happen, but it does look very good. And if you are a long-term investor in this like me, it's just a buying opportunity, to be flat out honest. I hope we would crater in ETC so I could pick up some cheap coins. I would much rather do that and buy it at $20 or $30 than $50 to $60 or $70. But I don't see that happening. Just the simple fact we have been consolidating for so long now. Some of you guys that hold ETC are probably thinking to yourself, like, what are you doing with this? It has been doing nothing. But for all the factors we have talked about in this video, I think it will be very positive in the next couple of months, towards the end of summer, fall, and the winter months, especially in 2022, will be good. And especially when Ethereum goes to Ethereum 2.0, that will add a lot of miners going to Ethereum Classic, because they're going to proof of stake, so it's not going to be as easy to mine on the platform. So all in all, I do see a lot of these updates, most or all of these updates, as very positive things for Ethereum Classic, and that is why it is my favorite crypto for the long term. Now, as far as the MACD, this actually does look positive. Over the past couple of hours, it went positive. It was pretty bearish, but I'm not going to pay too much mind to this until we really start to get above these initial breakout levels, right? Once you see the CCC line or this yellow line above the blue signal line, that does signify a potential bullish uptrend, but I do want to see this gap widen to fully signify that. As far as the RSI, we are literally in the middle at 50.96. You couldn't get more neutral on ETC. So all in all, I do think that's good too. As far as the TSI, we are basically the same thing as the MACD. That does look positive too. But if we can break out from the 60, we're looking for a major rally. If we do fall under the 53, then we will definitely see some support around this $50 mark. That is a psychological resistance or support level, as well as an overall support level. If we do break that, it's about $40. I hope it does. I don't think it will. I think you're better off buying this than a lot of other cryptocurrencies. So this is my take on what is going on. Here's all the information you guys need in the shortest possible video I could provide you guys. So if you got anything useful out of the video, make sure to hit that like button and comment down below, as well as subscribe to the channel. Check out the links down below to get up to $2,300 in free stock using the link for Webull, as well as get $70 up to $70 in free stock using the link for Public, and check out the link for the buy and sell alerts. With that being said, I will see you guys later. Until then, peace out.